Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gio here, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use green screens in Vegas. This one is very simple. This will probably be a really short video, and you just want to search chroma key in the little search bar on the left side. Make sure you're clicked on video effects, or else it won't pop up. So once it loads, you want to click on the one that says chroma key, because I don't think you guys will have the other ones. So we want to click on chroma key, and you just want to get this green screen one and just drag it on over, and there you go. This is the simplest way to do it. There you go. Now there's no green screen anymore. So another way you could do it is you could just drag in the default one. You click the little color thing, you click the eyedropper, and you just click on the screen, and it's all gone. That's usually the cleaner way, because sometimes the green screen doesn't do all of the green, because for some reason there's different shades on it. So if you just select that one, see, you could see still some green left. But this one leaves it kind of clean. It leaves it kind of cleaner than it normally would with this one. So I just like using the default chroma key when it's necessary. So yeah. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. And tell me what other tutorials you guys would like, and I'll make sure to try and record them for you guys. So yeah, later.